Note the markings by the side of the LCD display on the top panel. Squeeze the sides of the top panel at the marked positions and lift up gently. Look inside and note how the keypad cable is connected to the socket beneath the panel. Hold the cable connector at the sides where there is a small extrusion. Pull away from the socket slowly. Once free, squeeze the bottom left-hand side of the panel and pull up to release the keypad panel from the locking mechanism. The top keypad panel is now free. Replace it with a new one. Insert the new panel into the right-hand side bottom locking mechanism. Squeeze the left-hand side and slide it into position. Position the panel so that the cable connector reaches the socket. Push in the connector into the socket. Flip down the panel and squeeze the upper locks into position.